Hello, this video is about Codility, which is programming, testing, and training web application. Um, so I will tell you what is Codility and why, and especially how to use Codility to get better in programming and to prepare for potential programming test in future. So let's get started. So what is Codility? Codility is a website where you can train and test your programming skills by using algorithms and data structures and your preferred programming language. So you can choose from a lot of programming languages to solve the problem. So you can use Java, Python, PHP, many others. As well, the tests available on Codility have been used to test the candidates' skills when applying for developers' jobs. One of the companies that definitely uses this platform is Toptal. So I've been programming in my main programming language, which is Python, for more than 2 years. And honestly, you can learn from available sources which are on internet. You can watch a lot of videos and code by yourself. But Codility helps you learn to use different algorithms and think about programming in its whole complexity. It's like time and space complexity, which is basically that you need to think about choosing the most effective algorithm to solve the problem. Things like how much time and memory your algorithm will take to process the task. So this is a really great tool, and I can highly recommend it. Right? We get into the question how to use Codility the best way to train and test your coding skills. So basically, if you sign up to Codility, you go to lessons, and you have basically more than 15, I think 17 lessons on different topics, different algorithms and data structures, and each lesson has some reading material. So if you go to iterations lesson, you go to some PDF material where you can learn about iterations, and where you have some examples of iterations, some cases. So it's great to read or summarize this. And on the right side, you have as well tasks. In terms of iterations, it's only one task, but basically you have 4 or 5 tasks in different difficulty, like easy, medium. Yeah, basically, if you go to iterations, and I already tested my skills in iterations, so I already did this assignment. So if you go to Start, then you go to Start a test, and when you are here, here you can choose your preferred programming language. I will choose Python because Python is my first programming language. And you get assignment on the left side, and you are supposed to solve the problem in the editor on the right side. Here you have test input file where you can write your testing inputs in terms if you want to test some edge scenarios. You can to solve the problem, you can use whatever editor you want, and then copy the solution into the editor in Codility. So this is my solution of the binary gap problem. So I just copy my solution and paste it into the editor, and I gonna run the code, and we see that our example tests were correct. The Codility provides some testing inputs, but it's up to you if you want to test some edge case scenarios and write the inputs into the test input text file. Yes, it seems to be correct at the moment. So let's try submit the task. So we submitted the task and we got evaluation, which is we got 100% in this example. They test correctness and as well performance. So they as well evaluate complexity of your algorithms. Sometimes, of course, your percentage, your score is 80% or something, and here you will see what was wrong, and depends on the results. You can adjust your code or change the algorithm to suit best to this task. So this is a great tool how you can test and evaluate your coding skills. In the description below, I will share two YouTube channels, which cover the solutions, many of the solutions of the tasks used in Codility. But please, first of all, try to solve the problem by yourself. And then if you, even if it's only for 50 or 70%, even if you get the score 50 or 70% at the beginning, that's great. And if you don't know the solution, if you want to see how you can do it for 100%, of course, check some other resources. Use these YouTube channels as well. It's up to you. But basically, I hope I covered in this short video just the basics of Codility, of how can use it, and I believe it helps you a little bit to become a better programmer. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos. Bye.